La programación de Capital 21 se reforzará con producciones y contenido elaborado en colaboración con una televisora alemana. Aquí los detalles.
Capital 21 y la Deutsche Welle, radiodifusora pública de Alemania que ha expandido su presencia en Latinoamérica, firmaron un convenio de colaboración con el objetivo de realizar coproducciones, colaboración y la capacitación por parte de Deutsche Welle al personal del Sistema Público de Radiodifusión de la Ciudad de México.
Well, Deutsche Welle has the Deutsche Welle Academy, and we have a long tradition in educating journalists, but not only educating journalists, but also implement media systems, and especially transforming state media into public controlled media, which is something we do worldwide. And we are very happy also that we can already start this year to have a course for journalists and managers from Capital 21. So I think it's a good thing that we can continue working together also in this educational system.
La jefa de gobierno de la Ciudad de México, Claudia Sheinbaum, el secretario de Cultura, Alfonso Suárez del Real, y el director general de Deutsche Welle, Peter Limborg, firmaron el documento que avala el compromiso entre ambas instituciones. Por Capital 21 estuvo Diego Saturno como testigo de honor.
So many companies from Germany are producing here in Mexico, and cultural, as I mentioned. So I think these ties are very strong, and both countries have similar values about democracy, free trade and human rights, and also climate change. So I think it's obvious that we can work together also on the media side.
Con imágenes de Javier Cordero, Gloria López, 21 Noticias.